Most people think growing wealth is a slow, soul-crushing grind, but there's a financial cheat code that's been used for centuries. It's called the Rule of 72. It isn't magic, it's better. It tells you exactly when your money will double. Here's the formula. 72 divided by your interest rate equals the years to double your money. Say your bank offers 3% interest. 72 divided by 3 is 24 years. You'll be much older before that $10,000 becomes $20,000. That's slow. Now try the stock market. Historical average, about 10%. 72 divided by 10 is 7.2 years. Your money doubles while you're paying off a car. But here's where it gets dangerous. Inflation plays by the same rule, in reverse. At 6% inflation, your money's purchasing power halves every 12 years. It's like walking up an escalator that's moving down. You have to earn more than inflation just to stay even. And don't forget taxes and fees. A shiny 10% return might actually be 7% after the tax man takes his cut. Suddenly, your doubling time jumps from 7 years to over 10. Here's why this matters. Imagine two friends with the same initial investment. Gabriel starts at 25 and lets his money double repeatedly. Marcos waits just 10 years, starting at 35. By age 65, Gabriel has $600,000. Marcos, $80,000, even though they invested the same amount. Time is not just money. Time is a multiplier. So, use the rule of 72. Find a rate higher than inflation, cut the fees, and start your snowball today. Ask yourself, what's your interest rate? How fast are you doubling?